The seas are angry, my friend, today. We're catching a train somewhere up the coast to somewhere. We're at Cinque Terre. Still beautiful here, although it's raining. We are at this place. And here comes our ride. There goes our ride.
What is it, 75 euro? 70 euro?
Going anywhere. There's the train track. Good stuff. And I just have one down there. Battery's working, so I'm gonna step right in here. They've been dead, so I'm like, let me just see if I can take a picture. Oh, it's filming. Okay, no wonder. Fellow Texas friend, hello. This is where we slept last night. And here's the harbor where all of this got washed out. We actually ate right there, but then we were rescued uphill, and then there's a church right here that we stayed some time in. But this is a beautiful harbor. As you can see, there's boats and cars and a little bit of everything in there. Very sad.